Hello everyone and welcome to my new video on Arbitrum technical analysis and price details. For 30th of March 2023, let's get into the details. We got it into the trendings, guys, and it's still sitting rank number 1 with a 8% movement in the past day. Arbitrum, let's discover its ranking on CoinMarketCap. It's ranked 35 right now. It is having a 9.13% movement on positive for the past 24 hours, and it looks pretty good, guys. So let's discover the price action and the technicals. Not before you would like to consider my main YouTube channel where I talk about AI trading with ChatGPT and our bot trading possibilities for those of you that would like to find out more, how you can join, how you can get your bot running, and how this process is. I have live trades, I have presentations and explanations on that channel, including our report where you will be able to see our weekly performance on the left side, and then on the right side how you can join. We have a commission system, there is no prior fee, or we also have another option with a monthly fixed fee. Whatever you enjoy, links can be discovered in the description or comments area, and I'm going to talk about it at the end a little more. So, Arbitrum, 30-minute candlesticks. We were in a very interesting downtrending movement. The downtrending movement had its strength perspective till we found support on 1.10 cents. That 1.10 cents was actually a level of significant buying pressure, which drove us towards the breakout that happened at 1.16 after multiple rejections downwards. We also reacted on the trending support line quite well and started to establish another channel which is ascending, is no longer descending. Now in this case scenario, we have also generated a resistance line at the top, a support line at the bottom for the current channel, and by the way, we're fighting right now with the resistance line pressure, as you can see, pulling us to 1.36 cents. People needs to be careful because we're actually grabbing the liquidity above the golden pocket, which is in between the two yellow lines, and that could be a sign of reversal if we're not finding support at 1.30. So once again, we've grabbed the liquidity above, we have deviated, and this is a sign of a possible reversal, which means that if we don't find support really near to the current level at 1.30, we will reverse here. The target you must consider will be the support trending line that you have on the lower side of the structure, and be careful that future levels can be attacked towards 1.618 and the number 2 Fibonacci. That's 95 cents or 80 cents at a time Bitcoin decides to retrace. It depends how the stock market will open today and how BTC will behave, which is something we're all paying very close attention. The volatility in the market has increased majorly, and it is not that easy basically to get to the liquidity spot here in that rectangle that I put together. You need to get out of the 150. I mean, once you get out of the 150, things can move very aggressively by catching a whole lot of the liquidity upwards, but this is something that is quite far away from us in the way the markets are structured right now. If we would break out of the current resistance line and find support above it, you know, we're gonna fly above 150, easily break out the top here and just go, for sure. But getting out of the current resistance line is not having any proof right now. Simply we're facing resistance and we're about to close the candle in 18 minutes with a wick above and a body of the candlestick, which is quite uncertain right now, but the wick is very visible that the reaction is there. So Arbitrum did a great movement from 1.10, 1.15, a great possibility of scalping something that we have partially closed. We're in a safe trade right now because we have raised the stop loss to our entry and things are working fine. Great. Now, continuing basically, for those of you interested in our bot trading, we have videos on the channel with the possibility to consider a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where I can explain you more. Just contact me at the following email in the bottom right corner of the page. You see it as well. You can complete a form if you'd like to get the offer and the instructions of participation. And that's pretty much all, guys. All the links can be discovered in the description area and comments area. At the same time, if you care about your education and trading skills, we have a coaching program, and I'd like to share with you more information in the upcoming minutes. Subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and I see you soon. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.